Hey Stuart, Marcus here. Obviously, as you can see me. Right, here's your website. The options with help things, look fine. I wrote this just because you didn't have a picture for the stand. The stand's really cool, the new one, so why not show it off? And if you click on the Edit tab, you can now edit in full HTML and paste in tables and such. So let's have a look. So this is the basic HTML, which is filtered. So so you get make sure you get nice output for the browser and the search engines and stuff. They're filtered, but you can also use full HTML, which is unfiltered, which means you can put anything you like in it. And I've added this table button just this morning, which has far too much in it you'd never want to use, like a background image you can add to a table, and extra classes and alignment, center, borders and everything. So you should be able to control and make a table of specs for each of the options for the bikes. Even a caption, I didn't realise. Amazing. Okay, so yeah, have a play with that and tell me how you get on. Also, when you're uploading lots of images, I'll just run through how the blog post thing works in a minute. I haven't made this button work yet, so just ignore that. I'm still working on it. But that's going to be able to transfer stuff from your Dropbox or any web page basically that you point it at, and it goes, oh, there's images in here, I'll take the lot, and he copies them over into the current working directory. At least that's what I'm hoping, but it doesn't work yet, like I say, so don't use it. But you can also upload by dragging files on. I'd need to find some files, but you drag them in there, or you can add them with this widget. So if I add these two pictures of the seaside, for example, and I think all of these are okay. So they're not too massive. One's 1.5 megabyte, which you'd probably never upload, but you can, of course, because Image Cache does all the resizing and everything, so if you like. So same effect, if you drag them on there, they all appear in the list, and then you click upload, and it should work its way through the list and upload them. And then you can go away and make a cup of tea, come back, and hopefully it's all finished. It's a bit like uploading to Dropbox, I was hoping, so you could upload them to your website instead of Dropbox. Anyway. So now they're all uploaded, I better go and delete them. I'll just pause this while they do that. So when you're creating a new blog post, at the moment, until I fix that other button, here's the, you input say a blog post title. You could even write some in, and then you use the get image from to pull in like the Dropbox URL here. Let's see, be in there. I don't know if that one still works. Let me have a look at it. So this is a shared link from Dropbox, so you should be able to share it with anyone. It's Dropbox, Layback Rich. So this one has its 5 photos. Now, if I click save or preview, preview would have worked as well. Here you go, the image field is required, so it needed me to select an image. But it also uploaded 5 images, to add a space in there, to this directory. So now I've got all the images I need. I can delete that. Use the file upload browser thing to go to testing and then select all of the things you've uploaded, and then click in select. You know, you've just selected them, but then it's sort of like put them in the page sort of thing. And it uses JavaScript to go through each one and add them. Where have they gone? Oh, sorry. You can only add one to the first image, can't you? I'm sorry. I'm going to fix that soon as well. So I've got quite a few things on my fix list. Where's the more images? Sorry, the sun's coming in my face. I can't see the screen properly. Images from. Here we go. More images. So use the file browser on the more images front. Select the images that you haven't already selected. And as you can see, it puts them in one after the other. So now they're all in. Now I can save that. And I get an error. Damn. Yes, I don't know quite what went wrong there, but as you can see looking in the content, it hasn't actually posted anything, thank God. But that should give you an idea how to upload the stuff. And then maybe if we just create a new, let's try it out. I've got a few minutes left on my thing. So now if I wanted to write a blog post, it must have been that I was trying to add multiple images to the single image field. So let's say I wanted the first one for this one, and then right, so here's another thing that's not working properly. The focus thing isn't uploading when that's showing. I don't know how important that is for a blog post. I don't think it's actually important at all, is it? So I could just remove we could add the main image of each blog post to no, but then on the front page we've got a blog post which uses the main image to show, so we need to go through the site and make quite a few changes, so it'll be a little bit of work. Oh yeah, ignore the URL. I was working on that instead of the transfer as well. Upload. I don't need to upload. Select. So it uploads the images, generates the thumbnail. Hopefully, shows the thumbnails. I'm just going to have a look at this in the. I see. So the images actually didn't upload properly. No wonder you're having trouble with this. I'm going to finish that module so you don't have to use the workaround anyway. Yeah, that would be why we couldn't add them. Right. So I'm going to go into the file browser anyway and delete these. So let's remove each of these. And just remove the whole testing directory. Great. So I can see some of the problems, but so directories, obviously you can create directories and you can delete directories, and if you change the name of your blog post and you leave the upload thing in it, it will carry on uploading to the different areas. Delete normally just deletes files because you can't select folders, and transfer is going to be you paste in the URL and then it goes and gets them for you, which would make a lot more sense to do it in here, where you can then like create a directory and actually have it in a structure that you understand, rather than it being blog post and then the images. Okay, right. I'll see if I can get this all together this week. I'll put a few hours in this morning, and and hopefully I'll keep you updated anyway what's going on. Also, your Silk Road post that you sent me, I can't seem to find the Silk Road on the site anymore. Have you deleted it, or do I need to restore it from backup? Give me a shout. Cheers, man.